Hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you. What's going on? What's everybody doing? Oh my God, it is wild. Terra Luna, 3 zeros. You heard it here, 3 zeros. This is not a dream. I left you on the stream yesterday and I bought X amount of Terra Luna. I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. A lot of things have happened regarding Terra Luna. It looks like people are understanding more and more what has happened with it, which is good. But there's still a lot of people that don't understand and just assume that they're owed certain things, and they are owed certain things. You're owed answers on what happened. Um, but at a certain point, you have to realize that this guy has put out a solution that he wants to give everybody. And we'll go through that. And what that solution entails is how he's going to recover the price of UST and Luna, right? We're not talking a V2. We're not talking this guy up and left, Do Kwon. He didn't do anything like that. He's like, hey, I'm sticking by the project. I'm keeping the investors here. And this is what we're going to do. And I thought that was like perfect. This is exactly what I want to hear. And some people would say the price reflects that, you know. Let's get some background music going today. We like feeding the ducks. Boom. Yo, wife, hello, nice to see you. What's going on? First again today. Good evening, everyone. Crash Dummy, good evening indeed. Happy Friday to you, Teddy. MK2000, happy Friday to you. Welcome to the Ganja Goons gang here. Please smoke that like button. We need a good smoke around here. Share screen, window, Luna. Ooh, we're on a red candle right now, but it's opened up wide. This is another pump, And guys, people are riding these pumps left and right. You buy it on the low, you ride the pump, you sell it, and you can just keep doing this. Like, if you're day trading Luna, you have to invest a lot, but it's risky. It's risky. Not financial advice. Crypto Life in the house. Nice to see you. Saitama V2, I did see it. I saw that news that they are going on a V2. Congratulations. This is what happens. This is a serious conversation every token in our space is going to have, considering the amount of zeros that they have, right? So now that their liquidity is being unlocked in X amount of days, I think very soon. I think less than 14 days. So, Teddy, is this your Ruggy song? Maybe. Let's go. How did you do with Terra? I made 3K today. I also made 3K today, and I pulled out 2 BNB. I'm just gonna let the rest ride because I think Do Kwon has something here, and people are just not eating it up for all the wrong reasons. But anyway, let me make a quick Twitter post. Let the Ganja Goons know we're out here. We're chilling. We're relaxing. Yo, what's up, lunatics? Wait, lunatics. Terra Luna is making a few degens very happy. Come hang out on the... Wait, you guys can see this. I screen shared, right? Yeah. Come hang out on the stream with the fellow Ganja Goons? Ganja Goons. Boom. I think that's the thing. Tweet. Send now. All right, boom. We should be getting some. I noticed in my analytics because, like, dude, I'm vicious about these analytics because, like, all these YouTubers are one-upping me, and I feel like, dude, I'm doing daily streams. What am I doing wrong? How do I get my viewership up? So I'm trying to do all the things in order to do that. But regardless, did very well on Terra Luna. Pancakes about that finance. I sold 7 million. I still have 10 million, I think. So not too bad. I'm happy with what I have. If I lose the rest, I lose the rest, But with what I got back, I'm very happy. Let's second here. I'm signing in. I feel like the song ends too early. That's the thing about like feeding ducks or whatever it's called. What the hell? Bored Ape Dojo Club reject. Now I have the actual money. I can do this. Switch network. I hear there's a hack going around in the space. No one. If you guys see some like weird NFT thing on Dex Tools, or I guess there's multiple things. I retweeted it. Wait, I can't even remember what I retweeted. 1 second. This one. NFT apes. Don't do this. This is fake. I guess it's coming up on Etherscan. It's coming up when you use Dex Tools. Don't do it. Don't even touch it. Just reject it. You know? I just want to make you guys make sure you're safe out there. Are you safe-oo, man? Yeah, so I pulled one BNB and I put another BNB in UST. I'll go see how much that is. So Luna, I have 10 million now. Boop. Dude, I'm back at 4 BNB. Let's go. Okay. This is the recovery. This degen plays work. Don't let them fool you guys. I may be wrong 99% of the time, but this 1%, this one degen play could be what's gonna think. Because think about the hype. Everyone's talking about Terra Luna. I think people are gonna FOMO in. People are gonna try and save this project. People are gonna help Do Kwon. He knows whales. Whales help whales. Whales help whales. Why wouldn't they try and pump this even more? You know your exit point. Know your exit point. Know your entry point. Know where we are right now. These are the things that matter. There was a crazy dip this morning of 4 zeros, and now we're at 3 zeros. Isn't that crazy? Dude, you literally could have gotten this like so cheap. You could have literally 10x'd in a day. In a day. And most people that bought at any of these dips are sitting pretty good right now. And if you're not, because this is BNB, what are you afraid of? Gas fees? What are you afraid of? Trade the freaking thing. Do it. You know? Unless you are a long-term holder, but if I can obviously see that the amounts and if it means, you know, watching this, right? Even the tiniest amount, the gas fee is so little here. You could literally pull profits consistently. You see, there's no strong like, oh, you're chasing like 9 different green candles. It always comes back down and it can go right back up. So many people are swing trading this, day trading this. Guys, imagine it recovers out of this and we're like at like 203. The market, diluted market cap's only 30 million. We come from the DeFi space. This is nothing. Teddy. I keep reading the same comment, I swear. Are you going to give up on Saitama? I hold Saitama. What am I going to give up on Saitama for? They're doing a V2. Let them do a V2. What's up, goons? Big A Armory, nice to see you. What's up, Ganja Brother, freaking Oracle? Turtle Toot. What is that? You came as fast. Do the streams naked. Is that what you want? Hung like a turtle. Hey, what's up, Eric C? GGG indeed. Hi, Teddy. Saitama will reduce its supply to millions on billions. Yeah, so if they're doing a V2, they have to figure out what functions they want in that contract, right? These are the things that matter. So if it's, I guess Saitama's pumping right now or something, so, or maybe it's not, I don't know. I haven't looked at it. I've been focused on Luna, but this is what it comes down to. Address the zeros. Will the zeros bring in more investors? Will they not? Are you going to get listed on more exchanges? You know, are you having trouble listing on exchanges? These are the things that they have to figure out. And if they can address those issues, then we're good. We're good. That's literally what it comes down to. Are they going to dual launch? Are they going to do a bridged launch? You know, these are the things. And it all depends on what Saitama does for a V2, what benefit. I don't know if they're going to airdrop. Are they airdropping everybody? Do we know? Hey, Teddy, DZAKA, how's it going? I still want to call you DZAKA. DCAK, H Mubiaj, Ecobella, GGG, GGG, GGG. DNA Dimension Designs. Hey everyone, I got a little Terra. Oh yeah, you got a little Terra. I like your background. I like my background too. I like these LED lights, but they do trip the power occasionally. So if you see me running away, it's because I tripped my power. Because I'm like running so many things. Pump the Luna, pump it, pump it, pump it. Bro, I don't even have to pump it. This thing just swing trades itself. It's literally stair stepping. I think maybe we did hit the bottom because there's no more tokens being minted. There's no more. So this wormhole thing. And by the way, I was trying to figure out how to use the Terra bridge and stuff. So it looks like they've opened it back up. You can bring this over to a different network and do all these things. And you can actually stake it in their Terra station. So they have utility. I mean, maybe I should start. Get in, Saitama. They're migrating V2. Yes, they're migrating V2. It will be great. I already own it. Dokwon pissed off billionaires. It ain't recovering after all this backlash and past project failures. Too many supply, not enough liquidity for everyone to cash out if it recovers. And this is something interesting because I've been seeing the liquidity has been consistently going up, you know, and the volume's pretty much the same. So now it comes down to the community. If the Luna community can keep this token alive, right? If they keep it alive, I think it's possible, Chrissy. I think this guy could do it. But this is a big if, you know, you do your own research. And this is why, because this guy has failed twice, you know? So he's failed once on a stablecoin, he's failed twice on a stablecoin. I don't think he would use the same algorithms, you know? I mean, if he did, he's a freaking idiot, right? But if he progressed and learned and he's finding ways to continue on and he still has that motive, it's plausible. It's plausible, you know? That's kind of how I see it. 1 second, I need to change. I'm not feeding these ducks anymore. Let's go into space. Let me see here. Teddy will be sending new things soon. Oh, awesome. Crypto Life. Very, very excited. I've been telling everybody to get boner bears almost every stream. I don't know how many boner bear sales you get a day now, but I like to think that I helped aid in that. Lionel Diaz. Yes, airdropping for free. They will do it all. Okay, so they are airdropping for free. So if they pull that liquidity, yeah, and they can airdrop, then keep the fees low. I don't see, you know, that seems good. That seems doable. If that truly will reset their token, but keep in mind, regardless of where that price goes, the only winners are the devs in there. The only winners are the wallets owned by the team. Doesn't matter what the price is in the end. They win no matter what. Whatever tax, and it's for every token. For every token in the DeFi space. Doesn't matter. I don't care if it pumps. I don't care if it dumps. Because all we're doing is filling from that taxation the pockets of the people that own that token. That's about all I can say about that, you know? Saitama V2 will dump like Safe Moon V2. This is an interesting one. V2s save lives. V2s, I mean, guys, look at how crazy people went when... Dude, I mean, I'm holding above 4 BNB right now. And all day I've just been watching this grow. Like from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. I don't know where the top is. But I already pulled out 2 BNB out of this. I already sold almost more than half my bag in order to pull out 2 BNB. So I'm going to let this ride, see what happens. If I lose it, I lose it. Yeah, I've already been rug pulled many times. Yes, they're airdropping, and Saitama's up 150% today. Let's go. Dude, I hope everyone's making money out there, man. Hello, Mr. Teddy. Hello, Mr. Teddy. Is Shinja Mafia? No, the Shinja's not the Mafia. What the hell? Saitama will be airdropping tokens. They will have a 5% by end selfie, except for the airdrop selfie. And they unfortunately are keeping reflections, which means they will also not get consideration from top tier. Yeah, so if you, this is the thing, right? Are they really? I don't think any of these tokens have issues listing. I mean, exchanges have issues listing reflection tokens. You're in the crypto space. You're not going to adapt to the newest tech. You're going to stay with the, hey, these contracts work. They work. How long are you going to be like legacy, you know? Crypto investors are going to move to where the money is. And right now, that's the reason they're in DeFi. They're eating up these reflection tokens and everything. If I'm a whale in Saitama, I am dumping before liquidity unlocks. I ain't giving Russ control of money in V2. And I noticed, I know people are saying Strange Inu. You go to a V2. You get bot attacked. It wasn't your fault. You got to make sure, guys. I hold Saitama myself, but I need to, like, everything has to be done correctly. I don't want any reason the money disappears. I don't want any reason for that. So that's what it ends up being, you know? Teddy has a hand in everybody's erection. Yes, if you're buying boner bears from atlashealthline.com, shout out to them. Go. It's right on the main screen. And he's got more things coming. It must be over 21. Add it to your cart. Get that 15 quantity pack. Save that money. Oh, dude, look at all these Delta 10s that he's got now. Delta 10s, Delta 8s, Delta 9s, CBD. Literally everything I have ever talked about. And you guys can get a 25% discount by simply entering promo code GanjaGoons, no space. There is no space. 25% off and check out. atlashealthline.com. Dude, we're holding this pretty good right now. The support is here. The resistance is here. This is a pretty good resistance at 1193. And it's like we've been higher than that too. Dude, I think I sold the 7 for like almost 17 or something. Somewhere up here. And now it's dipped down, but overall it's been up since the low, you know, which was 5052. It's been doing good. Imagine you bought some here, bro. Imagine how happy you are right now at 3 zeros. You could have bought it 5 zeros. Isn't that wild? There are some millionaires today. They're gonna get their own exchange. Don't you know? Don't need exchanges, duh. So heck yeah. Keep the reflections. Guys, the only people that are gonna win in that is the devs. Every V2. Yeah, you're gonna pump the freaking chart. There's gonna be so much volume in there. You don't think that every taxation they're getting, we gotta make sure. And then if it's not even that, I'm not saying it's not a good thing to pump. That you need to pump the devs wallets so that way they can sustain the applications. Like, this is a true thing. But I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. If I were to make an educated guess, you guys have seen how launches go. You guys have seen what happens in pre-sales. I don't have to tell you anything. It's gonna have that initial all-time high. You need to bring new investors in. Whether a V2 will bring new investors in, I don't know. That's the real. Going to a V2 does not solve anything. The main thing you have to solve is it going to bring new investors in? If the answer is yes, and you can somehow, for Volt, it was exchanges, right? Hey, we need exchanges. And I believe that's helped in setting that price. But for Saitama, you already got 350K holders, right? I don't even care if it's dust wallets or not. It sounds like they're airdropping everybody. That's crazy. But that's how you keep the holder count up, I guess. So makes sense on why you would do it that way. And then from there, you just pray and hope that the community shills, you get the new investors in, and everyone's happy. I don't know if a V2 is going to break the all-time high, right? That's what everyone wants to know. Oh, Teddy, is it going to break the all-time high just because they're going to a V2? I mean, right now it's pumped 150%. So you know it's going to pump somewhat. My fear is once, the dumps come in, how strong of a dump are we talking? How many whales are left? Are any of the whales trying to get out? Are you putting restrictions or limitations? These are the questions, but it'll be interesting. I'm very looking forward to what happens. It sounds like they got a good game plan going, and that's what matters. Top tier exchanges ain't listing V2. Saitama, criminal, and incompetency records are forever part of their records. Here is the major problem. Saitama is handling everything themselves. They're not going through ever eyes. Yeah. I feel like you're doing text to speech or something, Big A Armory. How do you explain Shinja's 0.6 to 0.99 cells for last 3 months? I explain that by we have been downtrending, just like crazily. And our goal is to stick to our roadmap and continue to go up, tanking Shinja and holders. Yep, it's been tanking, buddy. We gotta bring, even Shinja has to bring new investors in, and that's our goal. And that's literally what we're trying to do. Crash Crypto, smoke the GGG lunatics. Yo, we're about, I'm telling you guys, you can swing trade this. It is so easy to find the patterns. And with the Bollinger Bands, it makes it even easier, because you can play with the median band as well. So if you buy outside on the low, and but keep in mind, we get one wrong downtrending news and you bought up here, you're sad for quite some time. So right now it's good. Will it always be good? I don't know. Cool Crypto, what does that have to do with Saitama trying to deflect? No, it's not trying to deflect. I mean, Cool Crypto has a valid concern because this is an issue across the board, and it's like literally you have whales in your project, right? How do you, even when going to a V2, you got to prevent the whales from selling off. If they all dump on you and they hold a majority of the token, that's an issue, So it's a valid question, I would say. It's a valid question. How the hell are they going to airdrop everyone? Bugs. This guy is thinking bugs. What would happen is whatever the liquidity of Saitama is, and I'm sure they're going to go out of their own pockets, right? I hate doing quotes like that, but I'm sure they're going through their own pockets to provide taxation for the airdrops. I don't know. That's all I can think about. Why else would you do it? The airdrops will be crazy though. I mean, if every 350,000 airdrops, how much taxation? Unless, I don't know. I have a feeling they're somehow getting something out of this any way we look at it. And it's going to be very good for the team because I think getting that marketing wallet in, getting the dev wallet in is going to cause them to do more because now it's legitimate and people can see where the money's moving to. So I think it could help them transparency wise. Yes. But they're going to do it. I mean, they have to find. Keith did 10,000. So Keith spent $20,000 to airdrop to 2,000 through 2,500 something holders back then. So use that rate. 20,000. It's a lot. Russ said in the AMA that the devs had put in almost 20 million of their own money to advance the project over the last year. So yeah, so with the volume coming in, if they get the volume they're looking for, if they get the amount of daily transactions and that transfer tax or whatever taxation, and it lands in that wallet, they could be getting this much money. It's very plausible, guys. It's very plausible. And if they get that much more money in their pocket, it could help them do more things, and that helps all the Saitama investors. You know, I'm a Saitama investor myself. That was what brought me into this space. It's very well possible. Of course, that was money's coming from selling Saitama tokens. I mean, there's lots of conspiracies out there. I've heard them all. You know, some people say, oh, they were selling their own Saitama bags. Other people say they make other tokens and then pull from them. So whatever it may be, the end goal is going to a V2 is going to help the Saitama dev team a lot. I've seen 40 ETH buy on Saitama. Oh, yeah. Yeah, people are going to, the V2 news, as long as it's bringing in the new people, we're good, you know? Just take profits. That's all, guys. Don't lose out on this. Know when. Just know when. Teddy, long time ago, I asked you to use your video. Anyway, this is my new account. Diversify crypto strategy. Teddy, long time ago, I asked to use your video. You can still use my video, bro. Whatever you need to do. Just don't rug pull me. No, I'm just kidding. It's going to be a show on V2 launch day. Watch them airdrop devs and family members first. They will dump on you, Saitama holders. Chrissy, I think you are speaking from a place of experience. And did you sell Luna? I did not. I still hold on to it. I'm at 4.6. I'm at 4.6. I started the stream at like 3.1, guys. I believe in Luna. I believe in UST because I believe the dev team has not given up. Till you have a dev team flat out give up on a cryptocurrency, I think the cryptocurrency still has legs. I don't care what influencers say. I don't care. This is my own feeling and opinion. It is not financial advice for you to follow. I could be completely wrong, and this could completely tank, and I would go, oh, guys, I was wrong. But when it comes to Terra Luna, we know what happened. They were attacked. Duquan himself, Duquan, whatever it may be, has said it himself. Terra Luna was attacked. This was a coordinated attack. I don't care whether you want to blame BlackRock, Citadel, whatever it may be. The end result was the same. They took UST, they took Bitcoin, they dumped it, causing a depeg of UST. In order for UST to be pegged again, Luna had to be either burned or minted. As you mint more Luna, the price goes down. As of me speaking to you right now, Luna is not being minted. I just ate, so I'm still like burping up everything that I ate. So I'm sorry. But right now, there is nothing. There's no new Luna being minted, which means the bridge, which is working, you can go to any chain you want. So if you have a wormhole, you can literally bridge over to ETH. You can bridge over to the Terra station. You can go stake. Literally, the functionality is coming back. There is hype. They don't even have to market. Even this bad press, people are looking into it. People are trying to figure out how to buy Luna. I think this is going to pump. I'm going to have to find my area on when to take profits. And that's what it's going to have to be. I think as of right now, we know very little. Once the plan gets put in, it's going to be interesting. They said whale tax right in the AMA. Oh, did they, Ismail? Ismail, nice to see you. Welcome to the Ganja Goons. By the way, 65 Ganja Goons in the house. Do you guys own Luna? Do you guys own Saitama? Let me know in the chat. It's interesting. I want to know what my viewers, you know, what are you guys interested in? Do you not even care? You know, it's like I only trust Bitcoin. You know, what kind of maxi are you? Are you a Bitcoin maxi? I apologize for Any typing errors? Because yes, I'm using text-to-speech without my glasses to proofread. Big A Armory, you are completely fine, my friend. You're completely fine. They shouldn't send it to any wallet under 5 USD. Ismail, they have to send it. If they need to keep their holder count legitimate in order to get on certain things, maybe it's a requirement for exchanges, then you have to keep making sure that holder count stays consistent from V1 to V2. Has to be done. Actually, it's 67K. I'm currently making a video on that. Okay. That sounds great. Diversify crypto strategy. Please feel free. I hope it's not being launched on Say the Fraud Mask. Chrissy, who hurt you and what did they do? Show me on this doll what happened. What's up, Teddy Ganja? Are you smoking? Because it's a green Friday. Welcome to Friday the 13th. A lot of people say it's bad luck, but we got some good luck in the house. Damn. I heard Luna is going to be worthless when they release V2. Are they really releasing a V2? No way. No way. Actually, this is a good point. Let's go check. Because it seems like people had trouble understanding. So I think this was the article that Awesome Austin reviewed. You know, he took a few snippets on what was happening. And that was pretty good. But I think there was an official... 1 second. Let me see here. Oh, maybe it was this one. No, there was an official one that was on the Terra page. Where was that? I gotta find it again. 1 second. Terra. Terra. No, it's like money something. Terra money. That's what it's called. Let's see. I don't know if I can actually see. 2 hours ago, post-mortem. Everything that transpired the past week is in progress. It will be published ASAP. These are tremendously difficult times for everyone affected. The feelings are still raw. Please be safe. The strength of the lunatics, let's go lunatics, has been amazing. More to come. Guys, they're not giving up. They're not giving up. And if they're not giving up, I'm going to keep my bag there till I see a reversal or a strong downtrend. But right now, I'm feeling pretty good with this team. Because that's what it comes down to. It depends on the team. Let me see. Where did I see Do Kwon? Terra Luna proposal. Wait, did they link it on the actual thing as a reference? Where's your references, man? Do Kwon in a forums post. If I click here, here we go. So okay, this is 8 hours ago. So here it is. They did link it. Oh my god, who was that? CoinDesk, you did great. Thank you for linking your things. 2 minutes ago. What happened 2 minutes ago? Oh no, is this 1 month ago? Oh no, this is people responding to the thing. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. All right, so Do Kwon says there's been... Oh, let me make this bigger so you guys can read along, because I know some of you are quite quicker than I. There's been several community validator groups discussing. So he's talking about all the solutions here that they have discussed in the UST depegging, because that's what it comes down to. Because UST depegged, all the stuff with Luna happened. If UST didn't depeg and was stable, we would be in a completely different boat. So what we really need is UST to come back to normal. So as of this time, there are still several $1 billion worth of UST, and the value of Luna token has essentially fallen to zero. So he's saying that there's still $1 billion of UST. Luna token's nothing right now. We're degens. We're playing on the nothing, right? Even if the peg were to eventually restore after the last marginal buyers, sellers have capitulated. The holders of Luna have been so severely been liquidated and diluted. So all he's saying in this next sentence is, the people that got the price of Luna at a ridiculously low price, even if the peg was restored, the people that just got in unfairly, right, unfairly, would just dump on the old holders. So it doesn't make sense now for them to peg it back to $1. While decentralized economy does not need decentralized money, UST has lost too much trust, which plays a vital role, right? It really does. It really does. So what remains? UST has been the central narrative for Terra's growth story on the last year. Because of UST being stable, Luna was able to grow. Terra Luna's been able to grow. And really, okay, he's just talking here about all the things. Terra Station is interesting. I'm looking into Terra Station because I hear this is where you stake, and if I'm just gonna hold on to this, I want to make sure I stake some away. Aldo in distress. So if it means, I'm staking this away for a month, then I'm staking away it for a month. If it's more than that, it's more than that. We'll see what happens. The Terra community must reconstitute the chain to preserve the community and the developer ecosystem. So devs haven't given up. If the devs haven't given up, they're going to do everything they can to keep this volume going. That's what I feel. It still requires, because right now they are community based, they're not pegged to anything, right? So they need the community to really help them grow in the space. So validators should reset the network ownership to 1 billion tokens distributed among. So he's saying there's going to be 1 billion tokens. Of that 1 billion tokens, 400 million are going to Luna holders before the depegging. Last $1 tick before the depeg on Binance should be reasonable. Luna, Luna X, and Luna held in contracts should also be recipients, minus the Terraform Labs account. Oh, snap. You know what this means? So the 400 million tokens of that 1 billion, he's going to give them out. I guess airdrop them potentially for anyone that had Luna at $1 tick. So if you had Luna before the dollar, then you would be receiving a cut of this 400 million token. If someone's giving you free tokens, and there's a possibility that the token comes back, take the free tokens, hold on to it. Freaking Archie Nako. And I'm wearing shorts today. So if you see the leg, I promise you I'm not naked underneath here. I got shorts on. The dollar, that's pretty good because you can just read the block at the dollar, right? Shibnobi has done this in the Shibnobi refund site, right? We read the block on Ethereum to know exactly what wallet held how much at what time, and that's how Shibnobi was able to figure out at the time of previous to the hack, this is how much everyone held. So previous to the price going below $1, it looks like they're actually going to help out the Luna holders. I think I'm one of the Luna holders that had Luna before while it was $1. So hopefully I get some of this because I held it. I bought it through PancakeSwap, so I think I would be eligible for this. Let's see. The new chain should be community owned. Preserving decent ownership of the network and its strongest believers and builders is important. So they literally are turning into a community token. They're not pegged by anything right now. So 400 million, another 40% to USD holders pro rata at the time of the new network upgrade. USD holders need to be made whole as much as possible. So we don't know when this is going to happen, by the way, but it sounds like when they upgrade the, I guess, blockchain, what are they upgrading? The ecosystem, the network. When they upgrade the network, 400 million UST gets distributed to all the UST holders. So I own some UST right now. And I think I owned UST when it was $1 as well. So 100 million, 10% to Luna holders at the final moment of the chain halt. Last minute marginal Luna buyers should be compensated for their role. So he's literally giving out another 100 million. So they're giving out tokens. They're giving out tokens. That's what's happening. And if that price comes back, these amounts of tokens that they're giving out for their ecosystem could be crucial. There's a lot of the community pool to fund the future dev. All Luna besides the third tranche should be staked at the network Genesis state. Makes sense. I like the staking idea. The network should incentivize its security with a reasonable inflation rate, say 7%, as fees will no longer be enough to pay for security without the swap fees. So yeah, in order to recuperate some of this, so they have to increase some fees, it looks like. It makes sense. So call to action, future of Terra Network. So it all comes down to Terra Network. Can they keep the whales in here? And this is the plan. Distributing the tokens is the plan right now, which is crazy. Right? Why people still buying Luna? I'm telling you why they're buying Luna right now. Look at this is what this guy is gonna do. Duquan. Why does redistribution make sense? UST holders need to own a large share of the network. As the network's debt holders, they deserve to be compensated for the tokens they have been holding to the end. So yeah, this guy, he's still got billions of dollars. Guys, he's still got billions of dollars of UST. There is still value to UST. I don't understand. I don't understand why the project wouldn't. I see. I went down below 4 right now, but it's still above 1046. It all depends. Like I see no potential way that if UST kept its value. What's UST's value right now? Is it on the top 10? Wait for it to scroll by again. One second. Yeah, it is number 1. So UST is at 12 cents right now. And it's literally trading between, so whatever billions he has, of UST, it's plausible. Algorithms have to work one way or another. I am so behind on the chat, by the way. I see a $20 donation. Deepu, Teddy, you're a great communicator. The crypto future. Smash the like button. Deepu, thank you for the $20 donation. I appreciate it a lot. I really do. You're one of the truest, man. I'm glad you're able to understand what I'm telling you, because a lot of people, I think, want this token to fail to kind of get a slap in the face, to be like, ha ha ha, we showed you. But it's like, these guys are trying. Let the dev teams work. They have to airdrop tokens to my 3 Saitama, just wallets. Yeah. I'm hoping that a project will be minting NFTs the same evening, so Saitama will have to pay out of the house for gas fees. Why are you trying to make it wreck them, bro? Let them do their thing. Let them get some money, man. Then at least the Saitama devs will have to bend over one time instead of the investors. Faltron and others dumped, and now they're waiting on V2 or have coordinated with the team to reduce price it. There you go. Cool crypto. So I told you I believe in conspiracies. This was one of the conspiracies. Was the drama faked? Are they really all friends? Is Faltron still friends with Taurus? These are the things I start to wonder. Was it all faked? Sup, yo, OG Ganja Goon in the house. That's my brother, the doctor. What's going on? What's your Luna at? Are you a millionaire yet? Do you know they are voting for V2 right now? No, I don't know. Are they really? They can just bot the votes. It doesn't matter. I have not slept much in 2 days. Just been swing trading W Luna and Luna. Nothing but bang. Cryptic Cajun, you and many others are literally saying the same thing. Like, literally, it keeps going up because of the ecosystem. This price is going to keep going up. So every time it goes down is an opportunity to buy it and swing trade again. So what that means is, remember when it was 4.8? Imagine I sold 4.8. Then I rebought it when it was at 3.8. I've now made 1 BNB profit. Like this, you can literally look at the chart, guys. For Luna especially, you can literally keep doing this over and over again throughout the day. That is what Cryptic Cajun's talking about. It's not just like, oh, it's a one-time thing. Literally, it keeps happening over and over and over again. You can literally look at the Bollinger Bands, and this is not financial advice, but the Bollinger Bands are there for a reason. They're an indicator. So imagine, and you don't have to be well below. Even if you're in the median range, it's enough, depending on how much you throw in, you know? There can be strong downtrending news where you'll never see a profit for quite some time, you know? But if this was your entry point, you know, and it pumps even more, there is room for growth here. I don't think we're done. I really don't. I don't think we're done. I think this is... I mean, there's no more tokens being minted. Keep in mind, there is no more tokens being minted. 8:05. Dude, I am more than like 15 minutes behind. I'm sorry. Let's go, Teddy. BP in the house. Sometimes bad press can be good press. Exactly, bro. I bought Luna at 0.00001950. Yo, made in CGY TV in the house. Nice to see you again. Teddy, Terra was not attacked. The whole system is based on pseudoscience. Look at Titan Finance in 2021. Diversify crypto strategy. I'm trying to ingest what you're telling me. They lost their peg and went to the toilet. Titan was 80% peg. Luna is going to 10 zeros. Did Titan have as many holders as Luna has right now? Diversify. DM me this stuff. DM me this stuff. I want to read that a little bit. Teddy, it's dead, period. It may be dead, but you can pull profits on this. You can pull profits. I'm literally showing you how people can use this as a way of swing trading. Shitcoin maxi lol. I have 0.01 Saitama. Those bitches better get my airdrop lined up. Bro, Awesome Austin believes it was the government who attacked Luna. Don't think it was the government. I think it's the financial companies that own a lot of investment groups. I guess that's the best way to say it. Deepu, thank you again for the $20 donation. No, they're voting on the protocol. Oh, so what? They can airdrop it to like BNB protocol or something? Is that what you're saying? Luna is not new. The billionaire Mark Cuban used to support Titan, 80% peg versus Luna, 0% peg. Mark Cuban later stated he made a mistake. Google Mark Cuban and Titan. Yo, diversify crypto strategy. I feel like, dude, I'm a big conspiracy guy, bro. Send me the stuff. I'm gonna look into this. I will give you an update. It sounds very interesting. Yeah, you can swing trade Terra, but to make some money, you need at least 500 per trade. I've done it a few times. I got rug. Exactly. Should I swing trade it right now? Sell 2 BNB worth and then buy it again lower on the next pump, maybe. Let's see, where are we? All right, I'll try it on stream if there's time. Can we call in? I can easily show you Saitama. Diversify crypto strategy. You can call me, bro. DM me on Twitter. I'll send you a link and you can hop on the stream and you can explain this to us. Diversify crypto strategy. DM me on Twitter. I will send you a link, buddy. We're going down again. No. TX Tornado. Yeah, let's go. Teddy, guys, by the way, 71 Ganjagoons in the house. Have you seen the Shivalingam today? Here is for the believers. It is a quartz stone. We have positive energy. We are gonna make money regardless of what happens to this price. We are gonna day trade it. We are gonna swing trade it. We're gonna do all the trades. Bought from 0.5 CAD down to 0.05 CAD before Crow. Newton hauled all Luna except for transfer. Bought because I believe in crypto. It's also, as a crypto enthusiast, we cannot let Luna or UST die. This is true. Feels, I'm feeling you, buddy. I'm feeling what you're saying. Dokwan is proposing a new token to replace Luna. That's fine if that's what he has to do. He has billions, guys. The guy still holds billions. He isn't running away with that money. 40% to go to people that had Luna before, 10% to people that bought after the crash. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, so that's what that new network is. When he says he's upgrading the network, that's what he was trying to say. I understand now. So it's 1 billion. Teddy, Luna is just like the Suzuki new rug pull. Were people still investing on the shit token? Am I just saying, can you tell us more under your investigation? That's why we follow you. Dude, if this guy, oh my God, what's his name? Diversified Crypto Strategy. If he DMs me on Twitter, I'm about to send him a link. Let's get the inside scoop, guys. What does he know that we don't know? And I haven't done any type of my Twitter handle is at Teddy Ganja, TEDIGANJA, which is here, right here, at Teddy Ganja, TEDIGANJA. This isn't feasible. What about people on all exchanges? Yeah, the people on exchanges are gonna get screwed, I guess. But he did say he did bring up some exchanges on the list. He's just feeling the heat. He had to call for security. I believe he is trying to save his ass. He is feeling the heat. You really think so? I mean, yeah, I would be feeling the heat too, bro. When we had the Doja swap hack, we feel the heat, but that doesn't mean you give up. If you're in it for the long run, you're gonna do whatever you can, right? You think he's checked out? It doesn't seem like he's checked out. He's updating the community. I don't see him trying to run away, right? Luna can whitelist all wallets, just airdrop tokens. Yep. Teddy, this is a day trader wet dream. Do not hold for more than 12 hours. Last night, I told Rodney to sell when it was up 500, but he ignored me. Last year, I saw the exact same thing with Titan. Yeah, that's exactly what I've been told for quite some time now. So that's literally what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try not hold it too long and just day trade it, like all these other guys, and see what happens. I don't even think I need 20%. I think 5 is enough, maybe even 2. I mean, like, people buy now are not getting airdrop. Why still buy? Yeah, right now they're not getting airdrop. I don't know why you would still buy. Because for the 10%, I guess they're buying for the 10% after the crash. If they buy, you can still get a 10% of the tokens. Luna is making people money swing trading. Volume is high. That's exactly right, Chrissy. That's exactly what I'm saying. When is Shinja going to turn around, Teddy? Whenever we adhere to our roadmap and continue to deliver with our products. And I think till we get that investments or that sense of security from our investors that they're putting money into a solid project, I think that's when we start seeing the price go back up. Luna devs are not trying. They're kids playing pseudoscience. They peg to nothing, and nothing they become, and day trade. I am day trading. Made in CGY TV. Retail is choked that they have bought the falling knife and got burned out. Now the bottom is in, and big money will make retail chase their bags. Luna's going to the moon. Dude, I messaged this guy. Let's see if I got any DMs from Diversify Crypto. I do have a new message. Is it him? Crypto Diversify. I see it. All right. Let me get you on the stream here, buddy. Invite. Copy. Boom. All right, I sent you a link, Diversify Crypto. So if you can join that, I will see you on the stream. Sup, Teddy? It's bullshit. Luna CEO wants to create 1 billion supply and airdrop the ones who sold / crashed Luna. What the fuck? What about the people buying to save the project? Yeah. Yes, yesterday I made gasoline and grocery money swinging. Luna inflation, Luna to the rescue. Ecobella. I bought Luna at 105. Let's go, Moon Force. You're part of it, man. You're part of it. Teddy, I got a bag of Luna. Where can I stake it? Thank you, man. Luna. It's the Terra Station. There's look up Terra Station. That's how you stake it. They have something called Terra Station Wallet or something. and it is this thing on the Play Store, the Terra Station web extension. It's a D app, and then you have to figure out how to send Terra from the bridge, and you can click on it here. It'll take you to the same thing, Terra Station. So here's the dashboard. You connect your Terra Station wallet, so you'll have to get the Terra Station extension, make a new wallet, connect it, send Terra to send Luna to that wallet, buy UST, and then you hit the stake, and then look at all the staking that you can get. So they have all these things that you can stake Luna for and see how much rewards you get. So I think this one staking does a decent amount here. So yeah. This is exactly how they became validators, and this is how they're given staking away. Governance, obviously, voting, NFTs. Looks like they got some NFTs here. Dude, they literally have an entire ecosystem built. So it's like, just use the freaking thing and get it done, you know? In order to bring stuff to Terra, it's like they have a bridge. Let me find the bridge thing. Bridge. Portalbridge.com. Here we go. So they have this bridge, and you can literally go from the Binance Smart Chain to the Terra. See? And then this Terra would be your wallet, right? And you would choose your token, which would be Luna or UST, whatever it may be. Then you send it to the Terra wallet, and you've solved the thing. Guys, I've invested. I mean, this still works. So if all they do is update the contract and airdrop people, in theory, they still got billions. It's really a V2, right? We all want V2s. This is a reason to do a V2. Maybe I should have swing traded it up there when it was at 3.5, but it'll come back up. This is the thing. This is exactly why. So now we're under 9. It's going to pump back up. So entry point right here, exit point. See, dude, look at how the way they're timing it. It hit the top of the Bollinger Band, boom, instant. This is what these day traders are doing, guys. And it's very risky. You only can do amounts you're willing to lose, you know? People are trying to save the project, and this is happening. So now total liquidity is 606. We'll really have to keep an eye on this. Is it going to reach 10 zeros? Rogue Lancer, I bought Luna 0.0005, and now I'm bullish. I think Luna will recover, but not the way Luna CEO wants. Yes, I agree with you, Rogue Lancer. The real degens know what's up. They're literally 10x, 100x swings. Yes, this is exactly right. This is exactly right. You can swing trade Terra USD. I'm with you, Teddy. Yes, now you guys understand. Yes, why they did Luna like that. I don't know why they did it, but look, I'm showing you guys it's plausible. Invite him on chat. I've invited him on chat. He has not. That guy did not respond to me. I don't know. He said, "Sorry, Teddy, can't call now. But after you're live, look into the article I sent. I have to go. Good luck with Luna." I feel like that guy knew a lot. By the way, 70 of you Ganja Goons in the house. Have you liked the stream today? We need you to like the stream. Guys, I really want to day trade this, but I'm like streaming and with you guys. It's like, what do I do? Everyone who holds Luna will win. Oh, yeah? Another 0 tonight? That would be wild. That'd be wild. Watch it go back to $1 by swing trading? Yeah. On the game. I mean, it's artificial, but it could happen. Waiting for 5 zeros to buy back in. Yeah, fun in Israel. Let's go. If you factor in 280% APY and me buying the dip, Phantom Project has been my best coin. Let's go. Pulse Chain Jack Clap. Nice to see you. Thanks for hitting the subscribe. Welcome to the Ganja Goons. Please smash that like button. Dude, if this goes even up above this medium band, I think the sell-off's gonna happen right there. Yeah, you see, they didn't even give it time. It's like as soon as more sell-off. This is only the median band. Relax. They're still a top band. Yeah, they're still a top band. See, You can predict this so easily. Like, there's literally degens just like swing trading it from low band to mid band as well. I mean, that's not as much, but I'd rather just wait for the top band and do it the longer way. Because in one candlestick, you went from 1-1 to 9-8. This is literally 20% trades, guys. Every single time. You can literally I can sit here and just do this consistently. Guys, consistently. There's so much volume here. And this is not financial advice, obviously, but like, I'm showing you the proof, you know? Brought Luna $200, but my Etherscan address Luna show 2 million. Have you checked yours? No. Does the Etherscan really show 2 million? That's funny. Holy F, you're already at 3. Soul, I am. 3 BNB. Let's go. Yesterday was 0.05. 0.05. That's correct. I am at 3 BNB, 3.7 right now. I'm considering at potentially 4 maybe. Pull out 2 BNB again and then buy back in when it's lower, you know? Or maybe I just do that now, right? Let's see. Oh man, I'm so disappointed that guy can't come on the stream, bro. Really, it would have been nice to hear from him. He did send me the article though. We really needed to pump back up to this band. No, it's like the degens, like now I think people are catching on to this day trading idea, so now it's gonna go even crazier. Yeah. Come on. I hate when it's frozen like that. Okay, here we go. I think the jitters are gone, so this should go up. Not still people cheating. 2.7 BNB. But the buys are like crazy too. Wait, what's this? Sell? Oh, did I do this? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what how did I do this? Oh, when I select the thing. Oh, that is wild. I didn't know you could interact with the map like that. Wild. If swing trade with larger fund, that's enough profit. Oh yeah, definitely. Went from 3 sold to 25 so far. Let's go, Solana. Is it on Solana? Yeah, I think it is on Solana. I think Terra's on Solana. Maybe that's the right place to send this to. Maybe I should send it to Solana. I have a Solana wallet and a Binance wallet. I mean, it makes sense. The ecosystem exists, so if all it is they're changing the contract, then you know. Dude, is this the run up? Is this the run up? Bum, 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 bum. No, I sold some Solana to get into BUSD. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, you need BUSD in order to get in here. Come on, man. Guys, I'm literally, this is all I do now. Viciously stare at this chart. And hope. But it keeps breaking the zero. You know, it's still above the zero. We're not gaining another zero, I think. So I think it is going to have to hit the top of this band because I think look at the buys right now. Look, straight green wall. Like, why would it not, you know? And once it hits that top Bollinger Band, swing trade. Dude, some of these guys, they're just waiting right for the middle. And it's like, nah. This is wild. Teddy, I'm day trading off of your screen. Stream all night. GG trading marathon. Let's go. I kept telling you to buy more. Damn it, Teddy. I wanted to buy more too. Damn it. Why didn't I buy more? Yes, viciously. Yeah, that me looking at the chart since 4 a.m. Yeah, dude, I'm literally looking at this since now. Like, I literally could sell this now and probably still buy back in X amount. But I just don't know, because right now, like, I don't know if it's going to go back into the 9s In theory, it should, but I really needed to. So here's that green stepping staircase again. See, it slowly gets to the top, and then it's gonna fall again. So this could be the top right here on this candle. So yeah, I screw it. Let's see. Sell 2 BNB. All right, so here's 2 BNB worth. Swap, confirm. All right, so I'm pulling out 2 more BNB. And I'm going to try and pick it up when it falls lower. If it falls lower. If it doesn't, I'm DCing back up. All right, so I just got that confirmed. So I'm at 3 BNB now. So let's keep that as the track. Put this in. I'm at 1.6 BNB in here right now. So if I wanted to buy some more, say 0.5 BNB, I want to buy 1.5 BNB. Right now I'd get 4 mil. If this chart goes down, you see 9842. You see 9656. So I could come in here and buy this up at this price right now. Wait, is it gonna go below the Bollinger Band? Here we go. All right. So it's below the Bollinger Band. So I'm gonna buy it right now. I think it should be a good price. Let's see. Do I end up with more or less? Damn it, I have less. All right, so I believe I bought it. So I bought it for less and I kept my 0.5 and I'm close to my 10 million. You see? Oh, damn it. It's going down even more. So I literally, I think I got it in somewhere between this. One of those is my wallet. I got it on that dip. And look, it's going to pump back up. And when it does, people are going to take profits. Here we go, right? So now, how much was that? I pulled out like 2 BNB. Dude, I'm at 3 BNB. This is wild. This won't end your losing streak. No, it won't. I have lost way more than the little tiny amounts I'm trying to get here. That is valid. But right now, I'm sitting with 1.5 BNB and 3 BNB almost, right? Guys, I'm literally showing you how it's plausible to day trade this. Do your own research. Now that more and more people are catching on, it's going to get even riskier. So you have to like viciously watch this chart to know your entry and your exit points. So right now I bought it outside the Bollinger Band. And if it goes to this top middle, going to do the same thing again, you know? And there can still be a crazy strong downtrend news like we had seen here, right? And sometimes you're not able to beat the vicious downtrend news, and when that happens, you have to DCA. It's not always wins. Wait, what the hell happened to the what? Why is the chart? Get back in here. Yeah, so this is gonna be me now. 9156. I'm gonna go back to the 10s because we're sitting right outside the Bollinger Band, and if it comes down like this, it goes into the 7s, and it's going. Don't panic. DCA back in. Don't invest all your money into it. Right? Yeah. See 9657. So if it comes to this median band, we're gonna see that sell off again. So let's see how much I'm at. 3.10. Guys, literally, even if it's 0.10. You're making 0.10. That's enough. Keep doing that over and over again. The gas fee is so little here. You can help aid in Terra Luna's growth. Luna looking down again. Luna Inu. Hello, Teddy. Saitama robbed me. Nice to see you. What's going on? Saitama didn't rob you, man. They're going V2. Luna Inu. Yeah, so here's the 3.07. Dude, I need like some kind of indicator so I can just indicator. I need like something I can stick on my wall so I can just like set whatever price chart I want to see, what the number's at, so I don't have to keep like sitting here staring at this thing. Yeah, so I got this in like in the 8s, I think, when it initially downtrended. Cause I have a lot. I got back to 3 BNB, keeping 0.5. Like I'm sure this will go back to 4, and we can just keep pulling more and more profit as it swing trades. So if it goes below 9, below 8, below 7, whatever it goes to, wherever floor, I'll buy more. I'll wait for it to pump it back up above the. It seems like the median band right now, but there are times when that heavy uptrend comes in, you get above the top band. You know, though that's a good sell opportunity, and it happens consistently. It's like 3 sell candles that you really have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all 5 sell candles you can take profit on. Every time it goes above that Bollinger Band, you have opportunities to get out. And this is the buys right now. So now we're within the Bollinger Band, shooting for that middle tier. It literally comes down to this. This is all people are doing. This is all people are doing. I do 30 gains and redo it over and over again. Okay, that's a good way. 30 gains makes sense. Should I sell a kidney to buy the dips? No. Don't sell anything you can't be afraid to lose. What is that on the bottom you're using? Bottom is RSI. RSI, a relative strength index. Relative strength index also gives you buy signals and sell signals. A buy signal is under or as close to the 30 as you can get to. The sell signal is above 70 or as close to 70 as you can get. And the RSI works pretty well with the Bollinger Bands, combining both. So this is why. So right now is a buy signal. Like when I bought it, it was a buy signal, right? In these candles, I bought it. So I'm pretty close to that buy signal. So when I get that sell signal as the RSI goes up, I would sell. This is not financial advice. This is how you day trade. This is how these day traders are making ample, guys. See 3.11. Even for this 0.11, someone would come in here, they would sell the 1.5, right? And then throw back in 0.3, and they would trade on that swing. They would. This is literally what they're doing. This happens. And it's still going up, you see? So the RSI is slowly, and it's coming back down. Here we go. But I think it's slowly creeping up, and we're going to see that again. Okay, here. So see, I'm telling you, more and more people are catching on to the strategy. As soon as this hit that middle band, here's the sell-off, right? Then we have to wait and see if there's more buys than sells. And that's where the RSI comes in. Because right now, the buys are going up. The buy pressure is coming up. That relative strength index is going up, right? So this is really what it comes down to. And if I see it again, I'm same thing over and over and over and over and over and over. This is the life. This is the life. RSI undersold. Luna Binance, no. What do you mean Luna Binance? No. Zulkuf Aydemir. Zulkuf Aydemir. Did I say your name right? This is what it comes down to. I mean, I got in under the 9, so right now I'm still doing pretty good. You know? Sell 1 BNB, put it back in. You see, as soon as it hits the middle line, they're not even letting it hit that top line. Like, the degens are getting even more risky with it. All right, here we go. Are we gonna beat that initial? At least drop that 0 again, you know? No, they're not even. The sell pressure is way higher. I literally could watch this all day. I'm sorry, guys. I know. Okay, it's been an hour. Guys, I think this is a good spot. I'm gonna leave you with this information. Please do your own research. use very small amounts if you're scared. It's everyone's first time. You got to learn how to swim one way or another, else you're drowning. I'm not here to drown. So I've told you what I've found out about Terra Luna. I hope you guys educate others. And let's see what happens, because it seems like even if you buy now, even if you bought before the crash, they are trying to help you out. They have solutions. It's being talked about. The Binance guys, all press, no matter how good or bad it is press. And this is what's happening for the token right now. Let me see if any of our fellow YouTubers are on so I can direct you to go to their channels. Awesome Austin, Terra Luna could have. There we go. So there you go, guys. I didn't even know Awesome Austin was live. Definitely head over, watch him. He's a great influencer in the space. So guys, thanks for sticking with me. I'm happy to still have 60 Ganja Goons in the house. Please smoke that like button on your way out, and I will catch you next.